This is my living room. So I moved to this house about 2 years ago, and it's been a work in process ever since. It started off as just a completely empty room. I was hesitant to buy a couch as well as a TV stand with a TV and all that because I wasn't certain how long I was gonna stay here and like what I was gonna do with this space and how I was gonna arrange it. But I figured I wanted to add some stuff to this space, but also keep it minimal. So I didn't want to keep everything cluttered. I wanted a functional space without too much clutter. So let's go through everything in this room. So first off, the TV. This is the Sony BRAVIA X90L. It's a 98-inch 4K 120Hz full array LED display with great colors and contrast. And as you can see, the bezels are incredibly tiny, which makes the viewing experience even more immersive. This display is also really bright, and with the sun beaming in from the front door, I can still actually enjoy my viewing experience. And as you can see with this wallpaper right here, there isn't too much glare. And speaking of immersion, Sony sent out this TV as well as the sound equipment like the Theater Bar 9, as well as the subwoofer and the rear speakers. And with sound coming out straight from the TV as well as 360 spatial sound mapping, you get an incredibly immersive audio experience when you're just sitting and watching movies and shows on this thing. And I've had nothing but a great experience with this entire setup. You can hear sound coming out from the sides of you all around, especially when you're watching like action movies. You can hear gunfire next to you as well as explosions, and it makes the whole experience just feel like you're in a movie theater. I guess the TV also does look a little bit lopsided with the subwoofer on the right and nothing on this edge over here, but in the future I might potentially add like a console there, maybe a PS5. So the TV is sitting on top of an awkwardly sized TV stand. I had a much smaller 65-inch Sony TV on top of this before, and then I upgraded. I figured I would just leave it on this because it's mostly pretty stable and I'm not going to try shaking the TV, but it holds the TV. It's been through an earthquake as well. I was considering wall mounting this, but I didn't want to damage the walls, and we already had this, so I figured I'd just leave it since it works perfectly fine and also looks pretty clean as well, though the TV does overhang a bit from the TV stand. And we have some 2 plants over there, coat hangers, rug at the front, and then we just installed this smart lock from Schlage. That's the Encode Plus, and it's been working great so far. I get to unlock the front door with my phone. We have a little rack over here for keys and stuff from IKEA, another plant and a pot, and the rear Sony speakers are sitting on top of just some cheap stands from Five Below. They honestly look super clean and they work very well. This couch was from a local furniture store. As you can see, it's sort of in a U setup, and I've been mostly happy with this couch. It's also slightly adjustable, so we can remove this and then I believe put the ottoman in the middle over here, but we tend to just leave it like this so we can just sit together and watch movies and shows on the TV. This coffee stand is honestly one of my favorite parts of this living room because it is height adjustable, so you could sit over here and just like munch on some snacks or more easily reach the remotes. We also have another plant sitting right next to the TV on top of a pot, and I think this looks pretty nice, but I probably have to water it a little bit more. I also have my Shark robot vacuum and mop, which I made a full video about, and it keeps my entire space clean. The robot can self-empty, which is awesome because the robot automatically empties into a 60-day capacity bagless base that you can just pull out of the dock and just dump it in the trash. Self-refill is a great feature because the robot automatically refills the tank for up to 30 days, and all I have to worry about is periodically fill the clean water tank with clean water as well as cleaning solution and empty the gray water tank whenever that fills up. My studio looks like this and this so that my living room can look like this. This is mostly it. It's a super clean living room setup where I can watch TVs as well as game. I've gamed on a PC as well as some consoles like the Xbox Series X and the Nintendo Switch. A great experience, honestly, without many frills. Honestly, my favorite part of the day is just getting to sit on this couch and just unwinding, just putting on a show or a movie and just really enjoying the entire experience. If you want to check out anything I use in this living room, feel free to check it out in the description section of this video for your convenience. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of this entire setup. Should I add anything, remove anything, or just what are your overall thoughts?